1, 2, the cut down. Let's talk about the Galaxy Buds 2, your buddy 2 duos. The Galaxy Buds 2, not the Pro, but the Buds 2. They're meant to follow up from the first generation Buds. So obviously you've got the Buds Plus, then you've got the Buds Pro, then the Buds Live, and then the Buds 2. Rah, that's a lot of buddies. How many buds do you need? And these are meant to be Samsung's lightest and smallest and pretty much potentially the most comfortable buds in their buds lineup, which I pretty much went through. So they look good and have a potential of being really good because they have certain features in there that really draw well. I'm someone that is a fan of truly wireless. I'm not like a massive audiophile, says every YouTuber, the cliche line. But I do like them. I do like the profile, the low profile nature of the design of them, how they look. And I like the price point if the sound really does come through where it needs to come through. It's looking good. It's looking decent. It's looking decent. And what I like is the fact that Samsung does not restrict in terms of the colors and the options that you got on there. So I really like it for that sense. Maybe potentially I might be able to get hands on and do, coverage on the Lover of Tech channel. But as you're here on the cut down, if you find yourself here for the first time or if you've been here before, you're not too sure of what you're actually into and whatnot. But if you dig it, man, definitely, you know what? Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on the cut down. This is your place for a more chill take on your weekly news in tech with a nice structure, but no script. We kind of go ahead and just vibe with it and just give our opinions and our thoughts on it from the outside looking in, man. So definitely, if you feel that, subscribe. But yeah, Buds 2, they look interesting. This will be kind of like a quick fire at it, man, because it's looking decent in terms of what they're going to be offering. And let's jump in and look at it. So Buds 2. Again, the prices you're going to be seeing is on Samsung UK. I'm based in the UK. That's what you see in the UK prices in pounds. And again, like we said, man, this is the Buds lineup. This is meant to be the follow-up to the original Buds, right? And obviously, they don't really sell the Buds no more. But you've got the Buds Plus, which is the same price, brand new. Then you've got the Buds Live, Buds Pro, then the Buds 2, follow-up to the Buds. £139. I like that. And you've got 4 different colors, which is obviously olive, graphite, basically black, lavender, and white. Could have called it graphite black, but graphite. Cool. Let's learn more about the Buds 2, baby. Cool. And we're looking at a dynamic two-way speaker for rich and balanced sound. 3 mic system, 2 on the inner and out, 1 on the outer. 2 on the outer, 1 on the inner. Active noise cancelling for immersive sound experience, up to 98% active noise reduction. Customizable fit. We've got 3 different tips in there apparently as well. Smooth syncing across Galaxy devices with auto switching and watch control. That's an interesting one. And I like the kind of oval, kind of circular shape to fit the natural fit of your ears. And again, charges over USB-C, but I don't believe you've got wireless charging that comes with it. Yeah, Buds 2 is looking decent. It's looking decent. Immerse yourself in your own world. Yeah. Leave noise out of the conversation. I like that. So you got 2 on the outer with beamforming, 1 on the inner for the speaker, and it's a voice pickup unit. Yeah. So it's got active noise cancelling. So there's different levels that you can actually dial in when it comes to the active noise cancelling, from what I know as well. You've got, again, high, medium, and low ANC with the ambient sound as well. And then you can tailor your sound with the Galaxy Wear, with the Buds app. And this Buds app doesn't just work for mobile. They've got it on PC with Windows as well, on your PC and your laptop, which is good to see. And obviously for comfort fit, what they are saying is it's the lightest Buds we've ever made. Cool. And comfort is very subjective in terms of the fit and the feel, right? And then in terms of, the playback, you got 5 hours with ANC, 20 hours of playtime when charged with the case. And then switch without missing a beat. Definitely something they promote. I really want to try this auto switching to see how well it bangs. So it's a good look in that sense. The price Maybe could be a bit lower, but active noise cancelling potentially decent. Now, someone that I've kind of slacked off my exercising, forgive me, but I need to find motivation to get back to running. That was kind of like the only gift of lockdown, having all that time to run and exercise and lose weight. I've piled on, so let me hope that we can get back to exercising days. But when I do exercise, man, I do prefer to use truly wireless. When you're in your element, having wires on you is not something that you want. You want to make sure truly wireless is something that you're using to exercise. They look good. I didn't get to try them on. So again, I went to like a closed hands-on for all the new devices, including the Buds 2 that was announced. And they looked good, but again, for hygiene reasons, we couldn't try them on and use them. Obviously, it makes sense, but they've got potential. But the truly wireless earbuds market is very competitive, so they really need to sell it with the auto switching and the seamlessness of how it works with Samsung devices. They really need to nail that right. Noise cancelling at that price, I wouldn't hold my breath. I think noise cancelling really comes into its own when you go to £250 and above when it comes to the truly wireless earbuds. So I don't know how good it would be personally, but the auto switching needs to bang, the sound quality needs to bang, but the auto switching really needs to bang at that price. Personally, it really needs to bang, because I think that's a £40 markup based on Samsung giving you different colors and apparently it working with their application and their software when it comes to auto switching. So that needs to bang. But overall, the Buds 2 look decent. How it fits, I always like the in-ear tip types because that fits better rather than the kind of AirPod style, and I don't like the stem design, so I always like that kind of discreet. I would definitely go for the graphite one. Buds 2 look decent, and I think I've heard around that look, it could be a low-key hit. It could be a low-key hit. Whether I'll get a chance to try them or not, don't know. But it does feel a little bit crowded with the Buds lineup. It's like, which one do you go for? Buds Pro, Buds Plus, Buds Live, or Buds 2? Especially when the Buds Plus and the Buds 2 are the same price, you know. So you've got to consider that and really look at it. But yeah, I mean, overall, Buds 2 look decent. That's pretty much all I can give to it right now. And they don't look half bad. But yeah, those are my thoughts on it, man. If you enjoyed this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos on a countdown. And we'll see you next time.